Hello guys, come and make jollof pilau with me. I have onions, big pepper red, tomatoes, garlic. I have to put it in oven, then to turn into black. After a few minutes, I have to blend all of them together. Then I will prepare another onion on the side. As you can see, it's very red. Then I prepare my rice. I use only 5 cups, small one, 5 cups. Yes, then when you are preparing your rice, you have to wash it for several times. You wash it several times. Then I prepare my pot, put oil. After I put my onion, which I prepared, I like to use my oil with rice, which is onion, which is turning to the chocolate color. Then I put 2 spoons of pilau masala. I'm making jollof pilau. Okay, ku bantu batabizi ndi gukora umuceri wa jollof w'Abanigeria bakunda cyane, cyangwa muri aba Ghanaian, Cameroonian, mvanzemo ni pilau. Yes. Then nkabikoroga. After I have to mix everything, I will put that my blended stew. Everything, it was going to burn me. As you can see, it's too much smoke. Then you put everything together. After I put everything together, I have to mix everything together in order to turn it together, everything. So I will wait like few minutes, 5 minutes. I will cover it and wait 5 minutes. Then I will put small water. I put small water so it can be okay. I add very small water. As you can see, and you don't have to use like high fire. I put low fire. Then here I put everything, as you can see. Yes, I mix it, everything. I'm mixing everything. Mix it very well. I'm going to use my salt, 1 spoon big. Then after like 30 seconds, I have to put corn Maggi. Then here I'm putting my rice. I put everything together. When you have to boil it till the oil is starting getting on top, as you can see it, as if your rice is not going to be sweet. You have to let this the one you blended to let it cooked well. So I'm putting my rice and very small water. Haha, this rice is smelling good. It smells good. This is show how it's going to be sweet, very delicious. Then after you mix everything, mix very well. Everything mix very well. I'm testing if salt is okay. Then I add like 1 very small water. I'm adding very small water, as you can see. So mix everything together. Byose nkabishyira hamwe, ubundi nkashiramo, nkakomeza kumva niba umunyu urimo uhagije. Umunyu turabizi twese ko ari uryoshya. Nkashiramo akamagi kamwe katari magi nkoresha, ziba zifite utuntu tubiri. Nshizemo kamwe konyine kugira ngo bigire gu. I just put 1 Maggi to make it delicious. Then I mix everything together. As you can see, it's very orange color, red color. Yeah, that is how I like my jollof. And I put very hot water, very tiny, so it will not make that my rice be like too much water. I need it very soft, and then I cover it a few minutes. As you can see, wow, very juicy. It's very soft and smelling good, and it's very sweet, as you can see.